respected religious leaders, Honorable Assistant Minister, President and members of the Barara Youth and Social Club, the youths of our beloved nation, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Bula Vinaka, and a very good day to you all. It gives me great pleasure to be part of the Fiji Day celebration 2021 here in Barara, Lautoka. I would like to thank you all for coming today to show your pride and love for Fiji. Indeed, the COVID-19 pandemic forced us to change our plans, but it cannot keep us from celebrating Fiji's 51st birthday. And it cannot keep us from feeling proud, joyful, and sentimental all at once. I'm told that Barara Youth and Social Club has been organizing its own community Fiji Day celebration for more than a decade now. And I want to thank the members of the youth club for organizing for the last 10 years so. Let me also clear the air that under the Employment Relation Administration regulation, that the public holiday in respect of Fiji Day should always be observed on 10th October each year. And this was gazetted last year in October. Ladies and gentlemen and dear youths, government continues to champion its vision of a united and progressive Fiji for all Fijians. Now, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, allow me to address on the significance of Fiji Day to the youths of Fiji, who are as much our future today as they will be in the days and years to come. Firstly, let me congratulate the many youths and youth groups that I have interacted with, especially since the outbreak of COVID-19 and its spread to Fiji in early 2020. I have come across many outstanding youths and groups who have participated to boost the ways and means in which Fijians have stood up to this pandemic. And at this juncture, I wish to acknowledge the work of the Barara Youth and Social Club in their community and relief program. And I've been told that they have distributed around 1,280 food packs to the families during the COVID-19 lockdown. And I must take off my hat to all of you and to say, great job and well done. I commend all the other youth clubs throughout the country and groups who work closely with government and with the Ministry of Youth and Sports during this pandemic. This included the various programs that we have unveiled to promote and to provide a sustainable and relevant initiative during the pandemic. This included grants towards self-employment and job creation, fostering youth group initiative in making better use of our lands towards improving the food security and working towards better training and development outcomes through our dedicated programs in this area. Fiji Day for the youth of Fiji must continue to combine these tangible contributions towards a better Fiji with the vision of peace and harmony at the core of our Independence Day celebration. And it is their continued leadership and roles in their families and communities that we will need them moving forward from Fiji Day in order to regain peace and harmony of the national spirit, as well as health, wellness, and a return of livelihoods. And in this, we will need the energy and positive thinking power of our youths to generate great societal changes by ensuring safeguards as transition away from lockdowns to a new normal and ensure a safe return to Fiji the way it was. We need to continue to follow COVID-19 safety protocols in place. And more than that, in order to protect our loved ones, our families, our parents, our children, our communities, and we need to be vaccinated. Fiji Day 2021 indeed marks a day when Fiji and the world at large began their pathways into independence from a once in a 100-year pandemic, that of COVID-19. It is fitting that Fiji has begun to open up in the week leading up to the 2021 Fiji Day celebrations, as is the rest of the world. And as we celebrate the Fiji Day, we must remember that we are still on the path of recovery. And all of us together, in particular, through the example and motivations provided by our youth, we will take everyone we love and cherish on this shared and safe path of moving forward as one. To the youths of Fiji and all Fijians, let us continue to protect and grow the vision of peaceful and a prosperous Fiji for all from our independence as we mark the 2021 Fiji Day. Thank you, and may God bless us all.
Assistant Minister.